Hi everyone, welcome. Here is the updated version of Tone Mining app. We make many changes in this app. So first of all, user can start mining when user click on the start. So mining will be start, and also here you can see the pop-up message, and user can boost and enter the amount, confirm, and the user can pay with connecting Tone wallet. And even user can claim their balance like Tone and Bonk, and user will paste their wallet address, and here user can see all the transaction details like users claim and user withdraw. Here is the friends. User can open their invited referral friends, and user will earn this amount of points, and also it's automatically increase the mining speed on each referral. And here is the mission section. The owner of the project can update and delete this mission using dashboard. Here is the referral and the special. Users can earn the coins advertising this app, and here is the details like app. And for this app we are using React and Tailwind CSS, and for the database we choose Firebase. We are storing in data in the Firebase, and here is the details of our users like a bank balance, chat ID, the content link means YouTube video, and first name, and the invited users, last withdraw amount, the status of, and the level of the users, everything, and here store it. And let me show you the admin dashboard. First, admin will be write the username and password and login. Here is the admin dashboard. Admin can see the all details of the users like chat ID, name, like last transaction, and also we can see here only top miners who have upgrade the plan, and we can manage users. We can paste here chat ID of users, and we can see the details, and also we can set the hash rate and the tone balance. Even we can delete the users, and manage withdraw. We can here approve or reject any user withdraw, and also we can set here new task, and even we can delete the task. So right now we have only one task in our app. If we try to see, here is the missions. So we have only one task, and here we can claim minimum one ton. Okay, and if we try to enter the wallet address and amount like 1 to send, require basic miner, user must have to minimum subscription. Okay, then user able to withdraw the funds.